All right, so example 2. Example 2 says simplify, and A says x squared plus 4 in bracket all raised to the half power minus x squared into x squared plus 4 again in bracket all raised to the negative a half power, and that is divided by x squared plus 4. All right, so here x squared plus 4 is a binomial, and it's in bracket. Whenever you have something in bracket, a polynomial, an expression, once you have an expression in bracket, it is viewed as one number. So once an expression is in bracket, it is viewed as being one number. All right, so in doing this, I would write it like this. This is x squared plus 4 to the power a half minus x squared over x squared plus 4 to the positive a half. So what I did there is apply the negative law of indices, which essentially says that if something is raised to a negative index and it's in the numerator, you can bring it to the denominator and change the power to positive, from negative to positive. And this essentially is divided by, x squared plus 4. So we have numerator divided by denominator. So I'm going to separate them, the numerator and the denominator, x squared plus 4 raised to the half power minus x squared over x squared plus 4 raised to the half power. This is the numerator. And the numerator is being divided by the denominator, which is x squared plus 4. So simplifying the numerator, if you're adding or subtracting fractions and the denominators are different, you must find the LCM. So over to the left, the LCM is x squared plus 4 raised to the half power. Now 1 into x squared plus 4 raised to the half power is x squared plus 4 to the half power. So you're going to use that now and multiply by the numerator. So you have x squared plus 4 to the half power times x squared plus 4 to the half power minus x squared plus 4 to the half power into x squared plus 4 to the half power is 1. Then you're going to multiply that 1 by the numerator. So it's 1 times the numerator, which is x squared. So this is still the numerator. And we're dividing by the denominator, which is x squared plus 4. I'm going to put this over 1. Now, a to the half times a to the half is equal to a. So x squared plus 4 to the half power times x squared plus 4 to the half power is equal to x squared plus 4. All right, because if you're multiplying and the base is the same, you should add the indices. So what we have here is what? X squared plus 4 minus 1 times x squared is x squared, and this is over x squared plus 4 to the half power. Change the division sign to multiplication and invert. You get 1 over x squared plus 4. How do we divide by a fraction? We change the division sign to multiplication and invert. So what we end up with here is now what? X squared minus x squared, that goes. So we just have 4 over x squared plus 4 raised to the half power multiplied by 1 x squared plus 4. All right, and if you want, you could say this is x squared plus 4 to the power 1. So in the denominator, what you're noticing is that the base is the same. The base is x squared plus 4. Now, the law of indices says if you're multiplying and the base is the same, you must add the indices. So let's finish. 4 times 1 is 4. That takes care of the numerator. And at the denominator now, x squared plus 4 to the half power times x squared plus 4 to the power 1 becomes x squared plus 4 to the half plus 1. Your final answer is 4 over x squared plus 4 to the 3 over 2. Sorry, so 1 plus a half is 1.5, and 1.5 is the same as saying 3 over 2. All right, so let's have a look at example 1b. So in example 1b, we need to simplify this fraction. So let's take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. So the numerator is x plus 4 raised to the half power minus 2x. All right. Now, x plus 4 is raised to the negative a half power. To make the x plus 4 positive, I need to move that to the denominator. So I'm going to have x plus 4 raised to the power positive 1/2 power, and now it's in the denominator. This is the numerator, which is divided by the denominator, which is what? X plus 4. And I'm going to put the x plus 4 over 1. So I have numerator on the left, divided by denominator on the right. Now on the left, we're going to simplify the numerator. If you are adding or subtracting fractions and the denominators are different, you must find the LCM. The LCM in this case is x plus 4 raised to the 1/2 power. Now 1 into x plus 4 to the half power is x plus 4 to the half power. So whatever you get after you divide the LCM by the denominator, you're going to use that to multiply by the numerator. So I'm going to multiply the numerator, which is x plus 4 to the half power, by what I got when I divided the LCM by the denominator, which is x plus 4 to the half power, minus, now x plus 4 to the half power into x plus 4 to the half power is 1. So I'm going to use that 1 now and multiply by the numerator. 1 times 2x is 2x. This is still the numerator, and I'm going to divide it by the denominator, which is what? X plus 4 over 1. All right, moving up. Now, x plus 4 to the half power multiplied by x plus 4 to the half power is x plus 4 to the half plus a half, which is x plus 4 to the 1, and x plus 4 to the 1 is just x plus 4. So we're going to have what? X plus 4 minus, I think, 2x, and this would be over x plus 4 to the half power. Still the numerator, divide by x plus 4 over 1. That's the denominator. Simplify the numerator, we get 4 minus x, because x minus 2x is minus x, over x plus 4 to the half power, which is the numerator, multiplied by 1 over x plus 4. Because if you're dividing by a fraction, or when you're dividing by a fraction, you should change the denominator, change the division sign to multiplication and invert. So now we're multiplying two fractions and nothing can cancel. Whenever you're multiplying two fractions and nothing can cancel, you multiply numerator by numerator. So we're gonna have 4 minus x times 1, which is 4 minus x over x plus 4 to the half plus 1. Because x plus 4 is the same as saying x plus 4 to the 1. So we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. In the denominator, we are multiplying two bases raised to different, the same base raised to different powers. Whenever we're multiplying and the bases are the same, we must add the indices. So we're going to end up with 4 minus x over, x plus 4 raised to the 3 over 2 power. Because 1 plus a half is 1 1/2. 1 1/2 is the same as saying 3 over 2.